Understanding in debt. What does it mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have come across, in debt. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning together. In debt is a phrase used to describe owing money. When you're in debt, it means that you have borrowed money and have not yet paid it back. This can be money borrowed from a bank, a friend, or any other financial institution. For example, I bought a new car, and now I'm in debt. Many students are in debt because of student loans. It's important to understand that being in debt is not necessarily a bad thing. People often go into debt to buy a house, pay for education, or start a business. However, it can become problematic if one struggles to pay it back. Understanding the synonyms and related phrases can help enrich your vocabulary. Some of these include owing money. This is a straightforward way of saying you're in debt. For example, I owe money to the bank. Indebted. This is another word for being in debt. It can be used like, I am indebted to my friend for lending me money during tough times. Liabilities. In financial terms, your liabilities are what you owe. If you hear someone say, my liabilities are increasing, it means their debt is growing. It's always helpful to know the opposite of a phrase. In this case, the opposite of being in debt is being out of debt or debt-free. When someone says they are out of debt or debt-free, it means they don't owe money to anyone. For example, after 5 years of hard work, I am finally out of debt. One of my goals is to be debt-free by the age of 40. To wrap things up, being in debt means you owe money. It's a phrase you'll often hear in everyday conversations and in financial contexts. We hope this explainer helps you better understand and confidently use the term in debt. Remember, understanding the context and nuances of phrases is essential in mastering a language. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.